And I'm going to tell you something about the anatomy of trees. First of all, remember this. The trunk, even on a sapling, the trunk is going to be thicker than any branches that go off of it. And it's not ever going to be a straight. If it is a straight stick, I don't know. I've never seen a straight stick. I mean, they're going to be crookedy and wobbly and whatever. A tree's formation is basically a bunch of Ys, but not this kind of Y, but more of a twiggy, seeking. The area around the joint is going to be swollen, going to be bigger. It's kind of like the knuckles on your fingers. The knuckles on your fingers are going to be bigger than the finger around it. So we're going to go up and we're going to go around and we're going to go up. And I'm getting ready to paint something with this. So I'll show you what I came up with when I get ready, when I finish it.